Hey guys, it's Tim here, and today I'll be reviewing ARMagic, which allows you to create augmented reality that will pop off your phone when you share a QR code on your business card, on your flyers, etc. This is just an example that I just created. And when you're ready, you can also create flyers, business cards with these QR codes that you can send out so people can scan it on their mobile phone. So that's basically what this product is all about. Now I'm going to show you a clean project, but in case you're interested, make sure to check out the link below. So what I'm going to do is this product is lacking one thing. And take this for example. This is a Greek helmet that I purchased in Greece. Now this software is lacking that you cannot import your own products into the software. It's not going to show you how you can do this, but imagine that you sell this to customers. It would be really cool if you could import their products in virtual or in augmented reality, like you're seeing right here, that it comes in here. So let me show it to you real quickly. I can add this model because I already imported this in my gallery here. I can import this Greek helmet. There you go. And look at this. Now it's in my design and I can move it here. If I say I want to move it to the left, you can play around here. You see that? You can move it to any place you like. You can scan this, and this is something that I've scanned, and now I've added it to my own design that people will see on their mobile phones. So imagine that you can add your own products to these augmented reality scenes. That's what I'm going to show you if you purchase this through my link. I'm going to give you that training. So for now, let's get started. When you log into the software, you see these projects in here. And from here you can get started. So there's a plus button here where you can create your new project. Now it comes with a bunch of templates that you can choose from. So there's event planner, electrician, insurance, a day spa, cleaning service. All of these things are here. Happy birthday. So for example, take this card here. You can simply import this. If you want to send someone a happy birthday, that's also possible. It works super simple. On the next page, you decide if you want to have a QR code or if you want to generate an image that people can scan. That's also possible. But basically, you can change the QR code. You can change this to someone's brand. So if you like to make this red or blue, you can do that as well. You can change that in here. And then you can download this, or you can put it on the design a little later. You can give a web page title, but for the sake of the speed of this review here, look at this. So this is a happy birthday card that will open automatically and the photo will be in there. And this is also fully augmented reality that you can spin around. So let's start by creating a new project in here. So you can also choose from a blank canvas in here. So let's do that. And you're going to call this business, for example. You're going to click next again, choose the QR code. This can be done real quickly. As you can see, we say business and we're going to submit here. And on the next page, this is completely empty. So what you can do is you can add images, videos. There are shapes in this platform. You can add text, you can add models. So what I've basically done here is first, I've added a video. So when you click on this plus button, you can upload your own video, or you can go to the gallery here, for example. So this is a video. This is my video. As you can see, it's very big right now, but you can move this around and you can play with it. So at the bottom here, you will see move button, rotate, and scale button. So when I click on scale here, I can take this white dot and I can scale it, and I can say I want to rotate it as well. So I can spin here, and this is the viewpoint, and which viewpoint I get, I can spin it around. Do you see that? So if I like to have a view like this, that it's something like this, I simply spin it like this. And now I need to turn it a little bit like this so that it's on the lines. Look at this. And then you could choose for autoplay here, show the controls, mute it, or loop this video. And from here, you can simply design. So what I've done is I added text, for example. So when we click on this text button here, you can say, okay, you can say, contact me here. So you could simply double click. You can say, contact me here. Or let's say, let's do a different me, call me. Call me here because I'm going to show you something. And then you can make this bigger here like this. You can change the fonts here. You can change the font style, the colors, etc. But let's save this for now. And now you cannot see it, as you can see. So I'm looking, where is the text? So what you're going to do, you're going to click on the text layer and click on Call Me and click on Scale. Because when you do the scale, you can always make it bigger. And then you can see here, okay, I'm going to move this now. So each layer that you select here, you are editing. So now you can see it's in here. So I can do exactly the same thing. I can move this thing around. I can go to rotate here. And I can say, okay, I'm going to spin this one as well because I want to have this on top here. And then I can spin it in here as well. You see that? So this way you will be able to design, and you will get handy. The more that you work with it, the more handy that you will become while creating these things. So once you add your images, you click on plus here, you can see you have your gallery where I already imported, for example, this YouTube. Now the cool thing is, for example, if you have your own logo, let's say this is your logo here, let's say Facebook here, look what happens now. It's going to place it very big. So what you also can do here, let me take this one, Facebook, and let me move it in here to the bottom. So you could also make this, for example, really big as a layer at the bottom here. So let me move this a little bit like this. Boom, boom, boom. Let me see here, rotate it a little bit like this. Yeah, so like this. So you can add your logo here at the bottom of your video, for example. Could be very cool. But of course, you can also add that at the left and the right side. So let me add another one as well. So let me add my YouTube. Because what you can do here is you can link this as well. So when I add YouTube here, of course, I need to scale it like this. And now you can move it anywhere you like. So you can move it in here as well. And you simply look at this. So now it's over there. So you can move it here. And you can say, again, I'm going to rotate this again. You're going to rotate it. Oh, I'm selecting my Facebook now, but you need to select the correct layer in order to rotate it. So let me do that here. So you can rotate many directions, as you can see, like this. And now I'm going to move it a little bit to the front here. And now I can move it like this. Now YouTube is here at the right side. So this way you can design your own scenes, as you can see. Now, the cool thing is that you can select each layer. So let's say I'm going to select my YouTube. There are actions in here. So when I click on action here, I can open a web page. So I can, for example, go to my YouTube channel. So when I click this, I can say my target URL, and I can fill out my YouTube page in here. And you could do different actions. So you can play a sound on click. You can play a sound on start. You could also call a phone number. So for example, when we have call me here, when they tick on this, you could do call me here. And then you could do your phone number in here. And then when they tick on this number, they will automatically call you. So this way, it's easy for them to contact you. So you have these, you can open a WhatsApp number, click. So you could also do that. You can send an email on click. You could also move objects on click and move objects on start. So by that, you can, for example, start an object at the top here, and then you can let it fly in. Stuff like that is also possible. So there are many possibilities in here. So these are the images. Now, there's video I already showed you. There are shapes. So you can add these shapes to your design. You can add text, but you can also add models. Now, I haven't showed you the models yet, but when I click on this plus button, you can here choose from the standard models that are inside the software that you can add. So there are a bunch of models that you can choose from. All these are 3D objects that you can choose from. I think these are solar panels. So when you add this and you're in the solar business, you have these solar panels in here. Of course, you first need to enlarge this image. So you click on solar panel, click the white ones, and then look at this. You got your solar panels. You could, for example, say, okay, I'm going to put that to the left side here, like this, and then move it around a bit. So this way, you can build something out like this here. So you have these solar panels here at the left side. But again, you can import your own images as well, so that you can make your own business card. You can print this to a business card, etc. So you could choose from this library. You simply click on this plus, you got standard. And if you got the upgrade, you also have all these premium upgrades as well. These are very cool models that you can see here. These are fully 3D models that you can add to your design. Yeah. and it comes with a huge library of images. Now, once you're done and finished with your design, you first, of course, going to save this, and then you can publish this, and you can download the QR code, or you can say, I want to add this QR code to a design. And from here, you have a whole library of templates that you can choose from to add this to your design. So let's say you want to create a business card with your QR code so that when they scan this, that they will land on this page. You simply take a business card. So let's say we take this business card in here. What it will do is it will automatically place the QR code in here. So now you can design this business card. You put that QR code in here so that people can scan this. You change the details here on this page. So, you have all these things like adjust, frames, text, images. This is a full editor where you can edit your designs. As you can see, you got elements in here, you got icons, QR code that you're seeing right here. You have brushes. So this is a full editor where you can create your designs, and then you can save that design as a file name. You can save this as a template. So for example, if you create business cards for a company, you need to create this for many people, you can simply save this as a template, and you can use this over and over again. And then you can download this to your computer here, and you got everything ready. So is all about. So that is basically, I missed a button here, but that's basically what ARMagic is all about. I think it's a pretty cool platform that allows you to create augmented reality. And again, if you want to know how you can import your own products into your projects, like I just showed you at the beginning of this video, make sure to check out the link if you purchase through my link so that I can send my training to you on how to do this. And if you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the comments below. And for now, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Talk soon. Cheers.